And here's Lahnaruohontie, Gräsvägen 3 staircase A. And once again, today is the 12th of November 2020. Here's Lahnaruohontie 3 staircase A, Gräsvägen in Lauttasaari, Tromsø, Helsinki, Finland. We have filmed all the 3 staircases in this residential building, staircase A, B, and C. It's probably the best from the early 60s. Sorry, there's the flat floors here. It was built in 1961, turning 60 years old in next year, 2021, when it's going to be inspected again. And the serial number is H9181. Flat floors in Swedish and Finnish. But this has gone missing.
Yeah.
And the ceiling here is original.
Yeah.
It's also in the staircase C. So this is better. But only this one is missing.
Yeah.
So that's why I think in the staircase C it's the best one.
Yeah.
But still beautiful.
Yeah.
I really love the fact that everything is in both languages.
Yeah.
Except just that this was missing.
Spektiittaakin vain pitäisi meidän paikkaan.
Weird sound.
Yeah.
You can do the
Yeah. That's